नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवैभवपुरी गोस्वामी नामिनी गौरवाणी प्रचाराय दृढ़संकल्पमूर्तये कृष्णशक्तिस्वरूपाय भक्तिप्रदायिने नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधो दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वृंदाई तुलसी देव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवती नमो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे नाम एव केवलं कलौ नास्त्यैव गतिरन्यथा। First of all, I offer my honorable Sastang Dandavat to my spiritual master, His Divine Grace Nitya Pravishtam Vishnupada Ashtotar Sutta Sri Srimad Bhakti Vaibhavapuri Goswami Guru Maharaj, and pray His causeless mercy. Then I offer my honorable Sastang Dandavat to Param Gurudev Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Srila Prabhupada, and pray His causeless mercy. Then I offer my honorable Sastang Dandavat to pranam to our Guru Parampara, Guru Varga, all sannyasi, brahmachari, vanaprastha, grihastha, bhakta vranda, and pray His causeless mercy. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo. Which topic we have to discuss? You have a choice or I have to choice?
Something nice.
Something nice. Something nice from Bhagavat or yes.
I have a concrete question. If you can say something nice about Gauranga and Gadadhara pastime.
Gauranga and Gadadhar pastime.
We have heard a lot about Chaitanya Nityananda, but Gaura Gadadhara is somehow a little bit not so.
Okay. जय सच्चिनंदन गौर हरि की जय, श्री गदाधर पंडित की जय। Bhakti Vinod Thakur wrote one song in song. There is a Bhaja Gaur Gadadhar. Not he wrote Gaur Nityananda. We are Gaudiya Sampradaya. We are in Gaudiya Sampradaya. So our worshipable deity is Gaur Gadadhar, not Gaur Nitai. because Gadadhar Pandit is non-difference to Radharani. And Nityananda Prabhu is Balaram. So Krishna Balaram worshipable is good, also better is to worship Radharani and Krishna. So Gaur Gadadhar worshipable for Gaudiya Sampradaya. And Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, he the first temple he installed Gaur Gadadhar deity. Now also that is Mula Chaitanya Matha, we can go there, we will see there is Gaur Gadadhar. So Gaur Gadadhar pastimes you will listen something described in Chaitanya Bhagavat and Chaitanya Charitamrita. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was reading, Nimai Pandit, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ji 3-4 years senior than Gadadhar Pandit. Gadadhar Pandit also reading at that time, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is senior. So sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asking to Gadadhar Pandit some grammatical questions. Grammatical question.
Who is older, Gadadhar or Chaitanya?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the elder, Gadadhar Pandit is younger.
Okay. Вот сейчас Chaitanya Gadadhar एक सामान्य आंटी ग्रामatiski होता है.
Oh Gadadhar Pandit, what are you reading? You can answer this grammatical question. Then Gadadhar Pandit is answering that question. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tell, no, it is not correct, it is wrong. Gadadhar Pandit asking, how it is wrong? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving a reason for why that was wrong. And Gadadhar Pandit agreed, okay, now I am wrong. When Gadadhar Pandit became agreed, he was wrong, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no, you are correct. So how I correct? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again describing, for this reason you are correct. Okay. So this is so scholar Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and always asking some grammatical questions to Mukunda Datta, Gadadhar Pandit, Murari Gupta, etc. Now, when Chaitanya, this is the first meeting of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Gadadhar Pandit, I told. Then when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, firstly he manifested his Krishna Prema and he took Diksha and at Gaya from Iswarapuri, he came to Navadip. Before took Diksha, he was naughty, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But when he after took Diksha, he came to Mayapur, Navadip, from Gaya, he became very silent. So when he came from Gaya, so many neighbor people, they came to meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And they were asking how was Gaya and how was your trip, etc. They asked, but Mahaprabhu was so silent, only giving one answer.
A všichni se dostali tak jako to bylo v té gáji, jaká byla tvoje cesta, ale opravdu bylo hodně tichej a v podstatě dával jenom jedinou odpověď.
So in this person, one devotee also came to meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. His name is Sriman Pandit.
Ale nějaký Šriman Pandit, což byl jeden z podaných, co za Čaitanjem Mahaprabhuem přišli.
When Sriman Pandit told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, now I am going to house, Mahaprabhu told, you stay here, I have to tell some secret things to you.
A když chtěl tady tenhle hodaný odejít domů, tak Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mu řekl, ne, ty tady počkej, protože tobě chci vyjevit nějaký tajný věci.
So now when everyone went from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's house, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu called to Sriman Pandit one garden. His garden, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu one garden, Mahaprabhu called to garden to tell something in secretly.
Že když všichni ostatní hodaní odešli, tak on zavolal tady toho hodaného Chaitanya Mahaprabhu do nějaké zahrady, aby mu vyjevil to tajemství.
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started to speak something secretly, that is what happened in Gaya, and on the way started, when he remembered that lotus feet of Lord Krishna and Krishna name, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started so much cry, by crying water, that garden was filled.
A Chaitanya Mahaprabhu začal vyprávět něco, co se stalo po cestě do té gáji a mělo to něco společného s Krišnou a on začal u toho vyprávění tak začne brečet Chaitanya, že zaplnil celou tu zahradu slzama.
And could not able to tell single word.
A nebyl schopný vyslovit jedno jediné slovo.
So Mahaprabhu requested Sriman Pandit, oh Sriman Pandit, tomorrow you come to Shuklambar Brahmachari house with Sadasi Pandit and I will tell my secret feelingness.
Tak Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, protože nemohl dál pokračovat v tom vyprávění, tak říkal, přijít zítra do domu, teďka jsem nechytila koho a tam vám vyjevím to svoje tajemství.
Sriman Pandit told this matter to Srivas Pandit, Advaita Acharya, and there was Gadadhar Pandit. So they became very happy. Oh, what happened to Nimai? He became now devotee. Always he is crying by speaking Krishna, Krishna, and he is crying. He became very good. So Gadadhar Pandit asked to Sriman Pandit, oh Sriman Pandit, Nimai not asked about me, and he not invited me to go there, Shukla Brahmachari house.
Takže všichni si říkali, co se to s Chaitanyem stalo, že teďka prostě kdykoliv, kdy někdo pronese jméno Krišny, tak řečí. A teďka, když se to stalo, že ho nepozvali. Jo, pak, že ho tam nepozvali, jak je to možné.
Sriman Pandit told, no, your name is not he pronounced, Gadadhar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Šriman Pandit říkal, ne, tvoje jméno Chaitanya Mahaprabhu nevyslovil.
But Gadadhar Pandit was so like to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar Pandit told, if he is not invited me, I will go there,
Tak,
to Shuklambar Brahmachari house.
jo, Gadadhar Pandit to byl, tak Gadadhar Pandit říkal, já stejně, i když nejsem pozvaný, tak tam přijdu.
So now Shuklambar Brahmachari, Sadasi Pandit, Sriman Pandit, and they are waiting for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they are doing some kirtan. And because as Gadadhar Pandit was not invited there, so Gadadhar Pandit is another house with hidden. Understand?
Jo, takže oni tam všichni čekají na Chaitanya Mahaprabhu a dělají tam nějaký kirtánek a Gadadhar Pandit je tam někde schovaný ve vedlejším domě,
In another room.
v jiné místnosti.
So now when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached that is the house of Shuklambar Brahmachari, when Mahaprabhu saw devotees are doing kirtan, he fell down unconsciously, Mahaprabhu. By looking devotees, he fell down unconsciously. Ha Krishna, he fell down unconsciously.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, když tam dorazil, tak jenom tím, že uviděl vodaní, jak tam dělají kirtán, tak omdlel a říkal Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Now the devotees are became very fear of what happened to Nimai, what happened to Nimai. They chanted Krishna, Krishna on the ear of near Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
tak všichni si říkali,
Now Mahaprabhu came in conscious and started to cry. Dhariya sabar gala kande Vishwambara kotha Krishna bhai sab bolah satwara Prabhur dekhiya arti kande bhakta gana कार मुखे आर किछु नासुरे वचन प्रभु बोले मोर दुख करह खंडन प्रभु बोले मोर दुख करह खंडन आने देह मोरे नंद गोपेंद्र नंदन धरिया सवार गला कांदे विश्वम्बर विश्वम महाप्रभु अनदर नेम इज विश्वम्बर धरिया सवार गला चैतन्य महाप्रभु एम्ब्रेसिंग ऑल डिवोटीज एंड ही इज आस्किंग धरिया सवार गला कांदे विश्व क्राइंग कोथा कृष्ण बोलो भाई सत्वर वेर इज कृष्ण यू टेल मी यू आर द नियर एंड डियर मोस्ट ऑफ कृष्ण यू आर डिवोटीज ऑफ कृष्ण प्लीज टेल मी वेर इज कृष्ण एम्ब्रेसिंग एंड इज क्राइंग चैतन्य महाप्रभु And the devotees have no answer to tell anything. They are also started to cry. देखिया प्रभु आरती कांदे भक्तगण कार मुखे आर किछु नासुरे वचन they have no single word to what to tell something to Nimai. Then one devotee Sadasi Pandit, they told what happened, why were you crying, what happened? No, I am sad, I am very sad, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told. I am very sad. Well, what happened? So Mahaprabhu told, Anideha Morenanda Gopendra, I am very unhappy due to I lost my Krishna. देखिया प्रभुर आरती कांदे भक्तगण कार मुखे आर किछु नासुरे वचन प्रभु बोले मोर दुख करह खंडन यू आर द डिवोटीज यू आर द कृष्ण डिवोटीज यू आर सो नाइस यू आर ऑलवेज इन हैप्पी आई एम वेरी अनहैप्पी I lose my Krishna on the way when I was coming from Gaya on one place Kanhai Natasala. I saw there Krishna, a very small brown boy playing flutes and so beauty and so many ornaments we were using. And once he came and I saw him, then when I am going to embrace him, he disappeared. Without Krishna I cannot survive. Oh my dear devotees, oh my friends, please, you give Krishna me. Please, you give Krishna me. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down unconsciously. Now, these types of Mahaprabhu's feelingness, in the another room, Gadadhar Pandit was listening. By hearing these words from Nimai, Gadadhar Pandit became also fell down unconsciously. Ha Krishna, he is telling and he fell down also unconsciously in another house, another room. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, oh, in another room, who is there? What happened there in another house? Then Sadasiv Pandit and Sriman Pandit and Suklambar Brahmachari, they told, in another room there is Gadadhar Pandit. Oh, Gadadhar Pandit is there. He is so nice, Gadadhar Pandit. Mahaprabhu went to another room and he embraced Gadadhar Pandit. Gadadhar Pandit, you are so fortunate. From childhood, you are Bairagi. Vairagi matlab you are means you are renounced, you are brahmachari. Always you are from childhood you are chanting Krishna's name. But I lost my 23 year in by reading and giving class, giving lecture to students. So I lost my 23 year. But from childhood you are engaged your time in Krishna consciousness. You are so fortunate. Please you bless me. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced also to Gadadhara Pandit.
Tak Chaitanya Mahaprabhu když se dozvěděl, že ti vedlejší místnosti Gadadhara Pandit, tak tam nezašel a objevil Gadadhara Pandita a říkal mu, ty jsi tak šťastný, protože ty myslíš jenom na Krishnu, zatímco já jsem strávil kolika let svýho života jenom tím, že jsem studoval a že jsem učil, ale ty máš jenom Krishnu a objímal ho.
And another topic of Gadadhar Pandit is, just I am touching Gadadhar Pandit topic with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I am jumping some Mahaprabhu pastimes to going to Gadadhar Pandit topic with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is always crying for Krishna. And if someone is coming to Mahaprabhu's house, Mahaprabhu asking everyone, oh, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? So no one able to answer where is Krishna. When Gadadhar Pandit came and Mahaprabhu asked to Gadadhar Pandit, oh Gadadhar Pandit, you tell, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? So Gadadhar Pandit said, oh, why are you searching Krishna? Krishna is in your head. Oh, Krishna in my head. Yes, now I will see Krishna. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started to tear his chest. But Gadadhar Pandit again he convinced his Mahaprabhu, no. You don't tear your chest. Krishna will come to you. Please stop. Requested Gadadhar Pandit to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And from far distance, Sachimata was looking. Gadadhar Pandit, how he convinced Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Sachimata came to go near Gadadhar Pandit, and Sachimata pleased to Gadadhar Pandit, Gadadhar, you saved my son today. I am requesting you, please, you always stay with my son. Now Gadadhar Pandit did not know Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is himself Krishna. So in another topic, there is two friends, Gadadhar Pandit and Mukunda Datta. Who is Mukunda Datta? Mukunda Datta is a nice singer of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pastime. Nice singer. So Mukunda Datta and Gadadhar Pandit, they were two friends in classmate. Mukunda Datta village is Chatigram. And Gadadhar Pandit village is in town of Navadip. So once a devotee from Chatigram, name is Pundarika Vidyanidhi, came to Navadip. As Mukunda Datta is from Chatigram, so he knows that Pundarika Vidyanidhi is a good devotee. So Mukunda Datta told to Gadadhar Pandit, oh Gadadhar Pandit, you are always interested to see good devotees. A very nice devotee now came to Navadip, so you come with me, I will show a very nice devotee to you. So now Mukunda Datta and Gadadhar Pandit, they came to near Pundarika Vidyanidhi. Pundarika Vidyanidhi is a very nice devotee, and he is always wearing clothes like a king. And he is using some scented oil and nice fragrant scents, and always so many girls they are fanning to Pundarika Vidyanidhi. As he also very good devotee, also he is chewing pan. And wherever he is sitting, there is in front there is a mirror, and backside also a big mirror. So now Gadadhar Pandit when came to Pundarika Vidyanidhi, Gadadhar Pandit asked to Mukunda, where is your great devotee? You see, he is a great devotee. मतलब he Mukunda to so to Pundarika Vidyanidhi, he is a great devotee. So Gadadhar Pandit became very unhappy. Oh, he is not a good devotee. Because devotees are not chewing pan. Devotees are not using very like a royal dress and ornaments. Also there is some young girls, they are also fanning to him. It is not a symptoms of a good devotee. It is a Vishay Bhakta. Vishay Bhakta means Vishay means those are enjoyer devotee. So now Gadadhar thinking, I had some devotion, but when I saw this type of devotee, I lost my devotion. Gadadhar Pandit thinking, when I saw this type of devotee, I lose my devotion. Now Mukunda knew that Gadadhar Pandit did not recognize a great devotee. So Mukunda Datta sung a nice verse from Bhagavatam. Aho bakijam stanakaalakutam inghasayapaya yadapya sadvi leve gating dhatrachitang tatonyang kangva dayalung saranang brajema. This verse sung by Mukunda Datta. What is this meaning? Aho bakijang stanakala kutam. This verse is from 3rd canto. Uddhava is telling to Vidura. That is, meaning is Aho bakijang stanakala kutam. Baki means the sister of Bakasura, that is Putana. Putana came to kill Krishna, but Krishna was so nice, Krishna is so nice, he not killed Putana. Krishna liberated Putana and he gave a place of like mother. Krishna thought, as Putana is came to give me poison, but I will not look that poison because he gave his breast milk to me, that is like my mother. Except mother, no one giving his breast milk to anyone. So as he gave me poison, so also she is like my mother. So I will give a position like mother in Golok Vrindavan.
Protože když přišla putana za Krišnou, aby ho otrávila, tak Krišna ji nezabila, ale naopak jí dal velmi vzácnou pozici jakoby svojí matce, protože Krišna říká, ona sice mě přišla zabít, ale dala mi na to, že jo, víš, o čem mluvíme. A tím vlastně, protože matka dává jenom svým dítěti většinou navíc, takže tím jsem se stala jejím synem a ona mojí matkou, takže dostala velmi vysokou pozici ve Vrindavanu.
So now when Mukunda Datta recited this verse, by hearing this verse, he was seated, Pundarika Vijan was seated in the, on a very nice bed. He started to cry and he tilled his cloth and he fell down unconsciously and he recited some verse. He told, Krishna re Thakura moro, Krishna moro pana prana, मोरे से करिला काष्ट पाषाण समान मुई से वंचित हईलु हेन अवतारे अनुताप करिया कांदए उच्च स्वरे कृष्ण रे ठाकुरे मोरो कृष्ण मोरो प्राण मोरे से करिला काष्ट पाषाण समान. When he heard this from slok from Mukunda Datta, Pundarika Vijan recited, Krishna re Thakuro moro Krishna moro pran. Oh Krishna, you are my God, you are my life, you are my everything. Without you I cannot survive my life. Oh Krishna, he started to tear his clothes and he fell down unconsciously. And he told, oh Krishna, you not gave me your prema, I became like a stone. I am not melting my heart became like a stone. My heart is not melting by your by your hearing glorification and your name. Oh, what is the value of my life? What is the value of my life? It is not good. Why I not took birth at that time when you appeared in Dwapar Yuga? I am not good, I am not good. Started to cry.
Pundarika Vijan, když uslyšel tady ten verš, tak úplně upadl do extáze a začal ze sebe rvát všechny ty šaty a ty ozdoby a říkal Krišna, Krišna, já jsem tak nešťastný, protože jsem se nenarodil v Dwaparuze, když jsi tady byl, já jsem úplně k ničemu a jsem hrozně špatný.
And also Pundarika Vijan broke that mirror, front mirror and back mirror, and everything he lost there. Gadadhar Pandit, Pundarika Vidyanidhi, he became very astonished, Gadadhar Pandit. Oh, I am a devotee, but I also hear this verse. Something is not happening in my body, but by hearing this verse, this devotee became so feelingless. Oh, I committed offense. I committed offense. What to do now? What to do now? Gadadhar Pandit thought like this. Now Gadadhar Pandit thinking how I will free from this offense. And Gadadhar Pandit requested to Mukunda Datta, firstly I committed offense on the lotus feet of Pundarika Vidyanidhi. Now how I will free from this offense? So I am thinking to took initiation from this Gadadhar Pundarika Vidyanidhi. Because when a children doing some offense, then father always forgiving. So when I will become the disciple of Pundarika Vidyanidhi, then automatically he will forgive my offense. So now Mukunda Datta gave proposal to Pundarika Vidyanidhi. Gadadhar Pandit wants to take initiation from you. Then Pundarika Vidyanidhi became very happy. Okay, on Dwadashi Tithi, next coming Dwadashi Tithi, I will give initiation to Gadadhar Pandit.
Pundarika Vidyanidhi dare sunnato roshni shobhasela kausana
And now Gadadhar Pandit came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he told everything what happened with the Pundarika Vidyanidhi, and he told Gadadhar Pandit, I want to take initiation from Pundarika Vidyanidhi, what is your opinion? Mahaprabhu told, oh very nice, Pundarika Vidyanidhi is a great devotee, you can take initiation from Pundarika Vidyanidhi.
Tak Gadadhar Panditovi padal čítanie, že chce byť zasvetený od Pundariki a čítanie říkali, jo, to je super, to je moc hezký udaný.
About Pundarika Vidyanidhi, I am telling something. Pundarika Vidyanidhi is like a devotee, he never going to take bath in Ganga.
Pundarika Vidyanidhi sa nikdy nebudol Ganga.
As in scripture described that so everyone have to take bath in Ganga to purify themselves, but Pundarika Vidyanidhi is never going to take bath. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also swimming and taking bath in Ganga, but Pundarika Vidyanidhi only one devotee who is not going to Ganga to take bath.
Pretože všichni udaní normálne pořád chodí do Gangy, ale Pundarika Vidyanidhi je jeden jediný udaný, ktorý tam nechodí.
Because Pundarika Vidyanidhi is thinking this Ganga water is the lotus feet wash water of Lord Krishna, Charanamrita of Krishna. Ganga water is the Charanamrita of Krishna.
Pretože on si myslí, že Ganga voda je vlastne čaranamrita Pána Krišny, to je jeho lotosovej knahou.
Understand? So it is not good when we are going to take bath, means first we have to give our feet on Ganga. It is not good to give our feet in Ganga.
Takže, pretože když se jdeme vykoupat, tak napřed do té Gangy dáme naše nohy a to není asi úplně dobrá věc. To si on myslel.
So Pundarika Vidyanidhi is never going taking bath in Ganga, and he has also one rule. Before he is worshipping deities, first he will drink Ganga water.
A taky předtím, než má božstva, tak se vždycky napil vody z Gangy.
There is a rule, before puja we should not eat or drink anything.
A existuje jedno pravidlo, že před půjdou by člověk neměl nic jíst ani pít.
After puja we can drink water and eat.
Po půdě už se to může.
But Pundarika Vidyanidhi is another rule. Before puja he will drink full of Ganga water.
Ale Pundarika Vidyanidhi naopak se napil množství Ganga vody.
Because he is thinking I am impure. If when I will drink Ganga water I will become pure, then I will worship deity.
Protože on si říkal, já jsem nečistý, ale když se napil té Ganga vody, tak se vyčistím a tak můžu uctívat božstvům.
And another thing of Pundarika Vidyanidhi I am telling, as we are discussing about Pundarika Vidyanidhi. Pundarika Vidyanidhi, once when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in Jagannath Puri Dham,
Když byl Chaitanya Mahaprabhu v Puri,
once Pundarika Vidyanidhi went to Jagannath Puri.
tak tam přišel i Pundarika Vidyanidhi.
And Pundarika Vidyanidhi, you know Swarup Damodar. Swarup Damodar is a private secretary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Znáte Swarupa Damodara, soukromý sekretář Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
And Swarup Damodar and Pundarika Vidyanidhi, they are two best friends.
A Swarup Damodara, Pundarika Vidyanidhi jsou nejlepší přátelé.
When Pundarika Vidyanidhi came to Puri and Pundarika Vidyanidhi requested to Swarup Damodar, oh, you come, we will go together to see Jagannath.
Tak oni se rozhodli, že spolu půjdou se podívat na Pana Jagannatha.
And that day was Odhana Sashti. That day is Odhana Sashti.
A ten den byl
Odhana Sashti means from that day Jagannath is wearing winter cloth, using winter cloth.
to je přesně den, od kterého Jagannath začíná nosit zimní oblečení.
You know winter cloth, like sweater and something cloth is Jagannath using from one day, that is Odhana Sashti. And but Jagannath is not using this sweater, etc. They were some cotton. He is using some cotton cloth, but that is covered by what I will tell that word. When we are doing some rice, after rice we are taking some water from rice. We are giving so much water, then what we are removing water. After rice, we are removing some water from rice.
Like starch?
Huh?
Like starch?
Starch, huh?
Jo. Takže Jagannatha jakoby nenosí jakoby sweater,
Understand?
ale nosí jakoby bavlněný oblečení, ale nějaký že naškrobený.
In that days, that clothes they are using, they are dropping on that water because that will become thick and will not cold will come.
Takže oni to má
Thatch, that is called.
jakoby v rejžovém škrobu tu látku, že pak jakoby ta látka je jakoby nějak stvrdne, zhoustne a nepropouští zimu.
Understand? So that cloth, that pondas, they were gave to Jagannath.
A tuhle látku zrovna pandové dali panu Jagannathovi.
Now Pundarika Vidyanidhi is criticized.
A Pundarika Vidyanidhi to kritizoval.
Oh, it is not good, it is not good. This cloth is not pure, it is not good. It is necessary to fast a new cloth, it is necessary to fast wash, then to give deity. Without wash, it is not good to use Lord deities.
Pundarika Vidyanidhi to kritizoval a říkal, že ta látka je těsně předtím, než se dá božstvu, takže by se měla vyprat.
So Pundarika Vidyanidhi said, oh, these pandas don't know anything, they are don't know anything, they don't know rule and regulations, etc. Pundarika Vidyanidhi criticized with Swarup Damodar, and they came to home, and Swarup Damodar went to Mahaprabhu, and Pundarika was slept in a house. At the midnight, Jagannath and Balaram, they came in dream.
Takže on to Pundarika Vidyanidhi pořád kritizoval, že ty pandové nic nevědí, jak to dělali úplně blbě. No a vrátili se domů a teďka tam byl tam myslím Chaitanya Mahaprabhu a ve snu se jim zjevili Jagannatha a Baladev.
And Jagannath and Balaram, they slapped to Pundarika Vidyanidhi, two cheek.
A oni takhle každý z jedné strany ho proplasli, Pundarika Vidyanidhiho.
Oh, why you came to my Jagannath Puri?
Proč přišel do mýho Jagannath Puri?
If you know more rule and regulation, why you came to Jagannath Puri? My pujaris, my pandas don't know any rule and regulation. Huh? You are criticizing my devotees.
Ty kritizuješ moje vodění, ty pandy, co mi tam slouží a myslíš si, že znáš víc příkazů a pravidel.
My pujaris, my pandas, why they are not washing clothes before use me, you know. If they will wash means that remaining water of rice will lost. So I will feel cold. So they are not washing that cloth before use me.
Oni tu látku neperou prostě proto, že by se z toho vypral ten škrob a mě by potom byla zima.
And you are criticizing.
A ty to kritizuješ.
So they slapped Jagannath and Balaram to Pundarika Vidyanidhi.
A ty takhle proplasli Jagannatha a Baladev.
The fingerprint of Jagannath and fingerprint of Balaram was in cheek of Pundarika Vidyanidhi. So now at the morning, now
They're discussing if they have fingers because they
Huh?
don't look like having fingers.
who is singer?
Jagannath and Baladev,
Huh?
they don't look that they are having fingers.
Oh, they have a finger.
Okay.
They have finger. They are in Mahabhava. Jagannath and Balaram, they are in Mahabhava.
To mají prstíčky, jsou v Mahaprabhu.
Jagannath and Balaram have finger. They have finger, they have leg, they have everything. They are in Mahabhava. Jagannath, there is no difference between Krishna.
Že Jagannatha se určitě neliší.
Krishna have no finger.
Krishna snad nemá prsty.
Krishna's finger means Mahaprabhu, Jagannath also finger. But Jagannath, now I have to tell that why Jagannath have no finger.
Proč nemá Jagannatha prsty?
So now I have to go to Dwaraka Lila. On Dwaraka, when Krishna married 16,108 queens. And but still, on the night when Krishna was sleeping, in dream, sometimes he is speaking Ha Radhe, Ha Lalite, Ha Radhe, Ha Lalite. Like Krishna is on the sleeping time, he is reciting the name of Radharani and Lalita Sakhi, Visakha Sakhi. So now that queens like Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambavati, other queens, they are feeling sad. Oh, we are serving 16,108 queens of Krishna. Still Krishna is not forgetting to Radharani and Lalita Visakha gopis. How they are serving to Krishna? So we want to know how gopis are serving to Krishna. Who can tell us? Who can tell us? They asked once Narada came, so to Narada they asked all queens. Narada told, I also don't know how gopis are serving to Krishna, but I know in Dwaraka there is one person who knows that how gopis are serving to Krishna. Her name is Rohini. Rohini. So now all queens, Rukmini, Satyabhama, and all they are requested to Rohini Devi, Rohini Mother. Oh Rohini Mother, please tell us how gopis are serving to Krishna. We will also learn to serve Krishna. Rohini told, if I will speak about Krishna and Balaram, then they will come, when I will speak about Radharani and gopis, Krishna and Balaram immediately will came to that place and I cannot speak more. So among you, someone have to stop Krishna and Balaram to come to me. Then the Krishna's sister Subhadra Devi told, I can stop my two brother Krishna and Balaram to come here. Oh Rohini Mother, you speak about Radharani and gopis to queens. So now in a community hall, Rohini was speaking to all Ranis, queens, and the door was closed. On the next other side of the door, Subhadra is waiting. If Krishna Balaram will come, she will stop to them. So there is a verse, Naham tishtami vaikunthe na joginam hrudayana cha madbhakta jatra gayanti tatra tishtami narada. Krishna told, I am not staying in Vaikuntha, I am not staying in yogi's hut, I am staying where my devotees are singing my glorification. So now when Rohini Devi started to sing about to glorification of Lord Krishna, Radharani and gopis, Krishna and Balaram came to here to near Rohini Devi, but Subhadra stopped them. And she told, you cannot go, like he did like this hand. Subhadra.
Byla takhle ruce a řekla, ne, tam nemůžete.
So one side Krishna and one side Balaram.
Na jedné straně vystavila Krišnu, na druhé Balarama.
Radharani's glorification was so nice and Gopis glorification was so nice. By hearing the pastimes of Radharani and Gopis, Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra both they came in, they are started in Krishna Prema.
Ale ty zábavy těch gopík byly tak nádherný, že když tady ty slyšeli, tak začali projevovat Krishna prému.
So now the form, there is Ashta Sattvika Vikara, 8 types of symptoms coming when someone have a Krishna Prema.
Začnou se tam projevovat 8 různých symptomů, když má někde
Ashta Sattvika Vikara. Sometimes when someone have a Krishna Prema, that their hand will go to inside
a jeden z těch symptomů je, že se ruce začnou zasahovat do těla
and their leg will go inside.
a nohy taky.
And sometimes the joints will become very big. The joint will lose.
Někdy se
Only there is skin.
ty klouby úplně rozpojí a ty ruce a nohy visí jenom na kříži.
And also sometimes that the eyes become very big.
A někdy jakoby oči vylezou z vzduchu.
So these symptoms came to Krishna and Balaram also.
A tyhle symptomy přišly za Krišnou a Balarámem.
Now you are looking Jagannath and Balaram. This is Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra himself. But they are in Ashtasattvika Vikara, Krishna Prema form.
Takhle to je podoba Krišny a Baladevy a Subhadry v té Krišna prémě.
Jagannath and Balaram have 2 hands, but Subhadra have no hand. Because Subhadra hand is in back of Jagannath and Balaram.
Takže Subhadra tam nemá žádný ruce, protože ona tam jako zaprednuje tomu Jagannathovi Baladevovi, má jako by vzadu.
And at that time, Narada came to that place.
A v ten moment přišel Nárada.
And Narada saw, oh, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Krishna Balaram, so beautiful. Oh, my Lord, it is very beautiful form. It is necessary to see everyone in this world. Narada requested to Krishna Balaram, it is very nice form of you.
Krišna a Balarama říkal, že to je hrozně krásná podoba.
So Krishna and Balaram told, okay, this form in Kali Yuga will look me in this form. If someone will not practice any devotion fold also, if someone will look me in Rathecha Vamanam Drishtva Punarjanman Avidyate, if someone will look me in me chariot in Rathayatra, then he will liberate from this material world. This is, I spoke about Pundarika Vijan, Gadadhar Pandit pastime. And always Gadadhar Pandit is staying near to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gadadhar Pandit, when on Sataprahariya Bhava, Mahaprabhu did Sataprahariya Bhava. Sata means 7. Prahar means that one day is divided into 8 prahara. And Sata Prahariya Bhava means once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu seated in Vishnu throne and he told all my devotees, you worship me. I am Kali Yuge Mui Krishna, Mui Narayana, Mui Sei Bhagavan, Devaki Nandan. Mahaprabhu told, in this Kali Yuga, I am Krishna, I am Narayana, I am Vishnu, you are my devotees, you worship me. In some days, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu speaking, I am Krishna for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes. Then again he is telling, no, I am not Krishna, I am a devotee, you bless me, like this he is acting. But once, up to 21 hours, he seated in a Vishnu throne and he told, you worship me. That is called Sata Prahariya Bhava. In Chaitanya Bhagavat, Vrindavan Das Thakur described very nicely. So on Sataprahare Bhava, Mahaprabhu told to abhishek me, to do abhishek to him by Ganga water. So when they abhishek to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they gave a very nice cloth to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and so a golden throne, golden mukuta, golden crown and golden ornaments they gave to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and that is we are singing that song that Iva dakhine nitai chanda bame godadhara nikote advaita srini vaso chhatradhara. That this song on that day, on Sataprahare Bhava, so means always near to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gadadhar Pandit is left side, on his left side, and Nityananda Prabhu always on the right side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because there is a rule why Gadadhar Pandit is always left side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You know this rule? Because it is in culture, Indian culture, always wife is staying the left of husband, and elder brother is staying always right side of his younger brother. So Nityananda Prabhu, like Balaram is always with the right of Krishna. You see, now Krishna on near to left side, the Radharani. Anywhere, not anywhere, Radharani is left side, right side of Krishna. It is rule. But once in one place only, Radharani is right side of Krishna. Someone know this matter? Only in one place, Radharani is right side of Krishna. Huh? Where? Belavan? No. No. Very interesting topic this is. Gopinath. In Gopinath temple, Kamyavan and in Vrindavan, in the left side there is no Radharani. There is Radharani is the right side of Krishna. Why? Because Jannava Devi, he is herself Ananga Manjari. And in Krishna's pastime, Dapar Leela, she had a desire to become like Radharani of Krishna, and but not fulfilled. Not understand? Ananga Manjari is the sister of Radharani, and she had a desire to stay like Radharani with Krishna. Means on the Krishna's left side, he wants to stay. She wants to stay, but not fulfill that desire on Dwapar Yuga. That Ananga Manjari took birth as a Jannava Devi in this Kali Yuga and wife of Nityananda Prabhu. So after Nityananda Prabhu disappeared, Jannava Devi was preaching everywhere. And when Jannava Devi once came to Vrindavan, and he saw all the Madan Mohan, Govinda, Gopinath, and Radharaman, all deities he saw. And at last when he came to Gopinath temple, and he went to inside to Gopinath and he prayed to Gopinath, Janava Devi. When she is going out of temple, Gopinath catch his cloth. That Uttari, Kani telling, the backside cloth of sari, the corner of sari, he catch Gopinath and he pulled Krishna. And so Janava Devi stayed left side of Krishna. And Krishna told to Radharani, you go to right side. So this is the one place where Radharani is right side of Gopinath. In Kamyavan and Vrindavan. So, in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pastimes also, as Gadadhar Pandit is the incarnation of Radharani, so always Gadadhar Pandit is staying left side of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And now Mahaprabhu preached 1 year in Navadip Harinama Sankirtan and he took sannyas. After Mahaprabhu took sannyas, he came to Jagannath Puri, and when he came to Jagannath Puri, once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was searching on the coast of sea. Chaitanya was searching something in the sea beach. So at that time Gadadhar Pandit came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he asked, oh Mahaprabhu, what are you doing here? And Mahaprabhu told, I am searching one thing. Oh, what are you searching? Mahaprabhu told, I am searching one thing. If I will get, I will donate to you. Are you interested to receive that donation? Yes, yes. If you will give, why I will not receive? Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu found one Gopinath deity. Very big deity. Then Mahaprabhu donated to Gadadhar Pandit. Mahaprabhu told, you told me to receive this donation, so you receive this and you worship this deity. And you have to make Kshetra Sannyas. Kshetra Sannyas means Mahaprabhu told to Gadadhar Pandit, you have to become a Kshetra Sannyas. Kshetra Sannyas means you have to always stay in Puri. You never, in your life, you will never go to outside of Jagannath Puri. Because you have to worship himself, yourself to Gopinath. If you have some work, if you will go to outside of Jagannath Puri, then before night you have to reach Puri. Gadadhar Pandit promised. I will become Kshetra Sannyas and every day I will worship Gopinath. It is promised to you. Now after 2-3 years, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went from Puri to Vrindavan with so many devotees. So Gadadhar Pandit also came with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu told to Gadadhar Pandit, oh, why you are coming with me? Before you promised that you will stay in Jagannath Puri, never you will go. So how you are coming? If you are promised, if you will not survive that promise, then you have to go to hell. So it is, please, you don't come with me. Gadadhar Pandit told, I am not fearing to hell. I like so much to stay with you. If I will go to hell also, I am agreed to go hell, but I want to stay with you. Then Gadadhar Pandit told, yes, if you are also staying with me, I am also happy, but I am unhappy that you promised to stay in only Puri. So if you will go to now in Vrindavan or in other places, then you will lose your promise. So I am unhappy. Please you go, return to Jagannath Puri.
Mahaprabhu mu řekl, já taky mám rád tvoji společnost, ale ty jsi něco slíbil, tak to mě jako se mi nelíbí, tak prosím, vrať se a zůstaň Jagannath Puri.
Now Gadadhar Pandit not listening to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. No, I will go with you, I will go with you, and he run with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu up to Katak. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached Katak, again he called to Gadadhar Pandit, oh Gadadhar Pandit, why you are listening not to me? You want your happy or my happy? Mahaprabhu asked to Gadadhar Pandit, you want your happy or my happy? Understand? Not happy. You are coming with me means it is your happy or my happy? You want to stay with me means you will get happy. But I am not happy. But I am not happy, you are staying with me. If you want to make me happy, then you go to Puri. If you want your happy, then you can come with me. Then Gadadhar Pandit fell down unconsciously. Oh, I cannot make you unhappy, my Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I want to always please you. So if you are not happy, I will go return now. So Gadadhar Pandit was bound to return Jagannath Puri. Jai Sri Gadadhar Pandit ki. This is called Prema Vivarta. We are doing something means for not our happy. We are always try to make happy Guru, Vaishnava and Bhagavan. That is called prema. We have some selfishness or we have some desire, then this is not, if we are doing something for our happiness, that is not called prema. So, this is Gadadhar Pandit came. Another pastimes also Gadadhar Pandit. Tomorrow we will discuss. Jai Sri Gadadhar Pandit ki Jai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki. We will sing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu song. That is Jaya Sachinandana Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Sachinandana Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Jaya Gaura Hari Jaya Gaura Hari Jai Jai Jaya Sachinandana Jaya Gaura Hari चारि बेदे घोषे जारे नंदेर कुमार चारि बेदे घोषे जारे नंदेर कुमार से तुमी तोमार चरणे नमस्कार সেই তুমি তোমার চরণে নমস্কার। জয় জয় মহাপ্রভু শ্রী গৌর সুন্দর। জয় জয় মহাপ্রভু শ্রী গৌর সুন্দর। তুমি বিষ্ণু তুমি কৃষ্ণ তুমি যজ্ঞেশ্বর। তুমি বিষ্ণু তুমি কৃষ্ণ তুমি যজ্ঞেশ্বর। তোমার চরণ ধোক গঙ্গা তীর্থবর। তোমার চরণ ধোক গঙ্গা তীর্থবর। বল জয় জয় প্রভু শ্রী গৌর সুন্দর। জয় জয় মহাপ্রভু। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম রাম। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय सच्चिदानंद जय गौर हरि, गदाधर प्राण धन गौर हरि। हाँ गदाधर प्राण धन गौर हरि। हाँ नित्यानंदेर प्राण धन गौर हरि, प्राण धन अद्वैतेरो प्राण धन गौर हरि। प्राण धन मीन्स लाइफ, प्राण धन मीन्स लाइफ। अद्वैतेरो प्राण धन गौर हरि। हाँ गौर 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 हरि, आमार गौर 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 हरि। विष्णु प्रियार प्राण धन गौर हरि, विष्णु प्रियार प्राण धन। भक्तजनेर प्राण धन गौर हरि, भक्तजनेर प्राण धन। आमार गौर 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 हरि। हाँ हाँ गौर 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 हरि। हरि बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल। हरि बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल। हरि बोल हरि बोल, हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल। जय सच्चिनंदन गौर हरि की, गदाधर पंडित की, श्रीमन नित्यानंद प्रभु की, अद्वैत आचार्य की, जय जय श्रीवास पंडित की, पत्तपावन श्री गुरु महाराज की, जय नित्यला पठितरन स्वयं भक्ति वैभव पुरी गोस्वामी श्री गुरु महाराज की, जगत गुरु श्री भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की, सगोष्ठी सपरिकर श्री प्रभुपाद की, रूपानुग गुरु वर्ग की, अपने अपने गुरु महाराज की, जय जय श्री मालती देवी की, जय तदीय एसोसिएशन की, चेक रिपब्लिक की, चेक रिपब्लिक डिवोटीज की, से गौर प्रमानंदे हरि हरि। शिवानंद प्रभु की।